I have found the ultimate splash-filled adventure in the Smoky Mountains. Welcome to Soaky Mountain Waterpark. It's a summer obsession and it's in Sevierville, Tennessee. And the best part is, if you're a guest staying at Wilderness at the Smokies, which is the resort located across the street, you get free access to Soaky Mountain Waterpark. So that's how we experience the park. I'm here to share all of the details. Upon entering, security will check your bags and they'll dump any liquid or food items that you have, so you purchase everything in the park. Be prepared for a lot of hilly walking because the park is located on the side of the mountain, but during the summer there's lots of shaded areas, tables, and lounge chairs to pick from. Soaky Surge is the first attraction you'll notice, which is a massive wave pool. It's 35,000 square feet and produces waves up to 6 feet tall. We opted away from this one since we had a 4-year-old with us, but instead we chose the Lazy River. Like complete first-timers, we got into the Lazy River assuming it was calm and gentle, ignoring the name Black Bear Rapids. And let me tell you, it's no ordinary lazy river because there is a wave machine attached to the Lazy River and a schedule throughout the day that riders can look to see how active the Lazy River is. So we were hanging out here as a family, minding our own business, when we were completely shook when the first wave almost flipped us over in our tubes. It really is not a lazy river. However, there are times throughout the day it is more lazy than other times. I will say, once the waves were no longer a surprise, we went around the Lazy River probably about 10 times and it became my favorite. I was able to put my 4-year-old in my lap. They do have life jackets on hand when you're heading into the Lazy River. So once you know those waves are coming, it's a lot of fun. You can see here my camera picks up us being almost taken by one of the waves and seeing us knocked over right here. Amongst the tall thrill water slides, the massive wave pool, the not so lazy river, there are attractions designed for kids like the Hive. This is one that is really great for grade school ages, but all my kids enjoyed it. 4, 8, and 11. They hung out here for a while. Tons of fun splashing around. They do not need a life jacket for this one, or Boomer's Bay. And Boomer's Bay is more the toddler area. However, my 11-year-old was able to hang out here with his siblings. We do have a problem with the age gaps, keep them all in the same place, and nobody said anything about him hanging out with his younger brothers. So they had a lot of fun just splashing around, and it's also great that my husband and I don't have to worry as much when they're in these areas. There's lifeguards on duty, life jackets all around. So if you don't bring a puddle jumper or you have a kid that's not as great of a swimmer, you can pick up a life jacket from the water park. Soaky Mountain is really proud to call Sevierville home, and I love the nods to the city located around the water park. My 4-year-old hung out with us, and my 8 and 11-year-old chose to do the Slippery Salamanders, which is an obstacle course attraction. This was a big hit. There was a long line, but it was well worth the wait. They could grab a life jacket because the pool is 5 feet deep, and a lifeguard was on duty just for this attraction, but they were able to make it up and over the obstacle course. We were watching them, and they said it was totally worth the wait, and they wanted to do it again. Lots of fun to see this, and kind of different to see in a water park. If you're looking to elevate your day at Smoky Mountain Waterpark, consider renting a private cabana. They do sell out daily during peak season, so you want to reserve yours ahead of time. They include lounge chairs, tables, a shaded area, fan, and a personal attendant that will grab your food. We did the family taco deal, which was about $80, and it was great. Fed our entire family. We even had some leftovers, but there are food choices nearby, like fried chicken, ice cream, and your basics. Changing rooms, bathrooms, and locker rooms are located throughout the park, easy to find. Plus, there's a gift shop if you forgot anything or want to grab a souvenir. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and subscribe for more family travel and easy recipes from SavvyMamaLifestyle.com.